HIMTEX, that's the short form of Hyderabad International Machine Tool Expo. It started almost in somewhere between 2007 and 2008. So starting from 2022, the size of the show has grown almost 4 times, and this time we are intending to have a gross area of about 20,000 square meters and about 9,500 square meters of net exhibition space, with about 350 plus exhibitors from Pan India and a few international exhibitors as well. Why HIMTEX? Now, if you see the industrial development of the region, not only about Hyderabad, but if you can take about the state Telangana and the Andhra, the industrial development has been huge in the recent past, and we are in the need of a platform like HIMTEX, which can actually support the ecosystem there to develop into a next happening industrial manufacturing sector. So we have been experiencing the growth of the show over the last 4 years and also the development of the industries in the region. And I'm sure that this is going to be there for at least 1 decade, and Hyderabad and the Telangana will be attracting a lot of manufacturing inputs, and we as a exhibition organizer will be supporting this to the level extent from our side. I would take this opportunity to invite everyone to come and visit the 9th edition of the HIMTEX, scheduled from 20th to 24th of August 2026 at HITEX Hyderabad.